Hi everyone, I'm Emily, an IBP consultant at TCT.
And I'm Marco, Solution Architect at TCT. And today we're excited to walk you through some of the key enhancements in the SAP IBP 2511 release. This is the second video in our series, and if you missed the first one covering 2508, you can catch this up on our website.
Today we'll focus on what these update means for you, so bringing you more transparency, better personalization, and faster, smarter planning.
So let's start with Joule, SAP's Gen AI assistant. So Joule is now embedded across the IBP web interface, and it understands natural language requests to run jobs, check master data consistency, and produce AI summaries and explainability. In our previous episode, we covered the 2508 enhancements for AI-assisted forecasting and inventory explanations, which were available with the early adopters program. Good news is these are now generally available for all users with premium AI in both Planner workspaces and the Excel add-in, a big win for adoption in the demand planning space into understanding and bettering our forecast accuracy.
And for members in the early adopters program for 2511, there's an exciting new premium AI feature, and that is the AI-assisted supply optimizer explanations for time series-based planning. Now, planners can ask Joule to interpret complex supply optimization results using natural language, and the AI explanation can give instant insights and recommendation. This will save a lot of time digging through and making sense of all the information in the optimizer logs by looking for lost demand and other planning results. So this feature is a great roadmap milestone, which makes IBP supply optimization more transparent, more actionable, and which in our experience has been one of the biggest support challenges.
And don't forget to build on the Joule capability. In the Excel add-in, you can now generate formulas and formatting rules using natural language, the same way you would ask any LLM model in your day-to-day job. It's a huge time saver and lowers the barrier for non-technical users, so there's no longer a need to dive into the clunky IBP formatting sheets for quick changes. You can use Joule to do this for you. Touching on social collaboration, we've got a little demo showing you how this now integrates with Microsoft Teams. So the standout functionality here is the improvements in the Teams connection. While IBP has been able to integrate with MS Teams for a while on process-related tasks, in 2511, tasks can be sent from IBP apps directly to Teams, and you can be notified when a new process or task has been executed. Real-time collaboration between your business systems just got easier. IBP can continue to be the driver of your S&OP process, with actions and messages being sent to individual task owners through Microsoft Teams. Additional filtering capabilities are now available in the IBP Excel add-in, as well as the web planning filters app. With 2511, SAP have introduced advanced filtering operators like starts with, ends with, contains, greater than, or less than. So even if you can't quite remember an exact material number or description, this improved flexibility makes it easier for planners to see the data they're looking for without worrying about getting your search criteria exactly right the first time. The Analytics Stories web app also got a boost in usability. You can now filter out zero data entries, rank top bottom numbers, resize drop-downs, making reports cleaner and more focused.
Speaking of greater flexibility with the Excel add-in, version 2511 can now run and check the status of custom-defined jobs. So custom job templates can be set up in the Job Definitions app with preset filters, hidden fields, and personalized to users or user groups. Users can then save under My Jobs for one-click execution if they wish. As opposed to the normal job templates, this is great for running localized optimizers or syncing data with minimal effort, and it keeps planners focused only on the jobs relevant to their role. There's been another key change to the 2511 Excel version. The macros for controlling chart settings no longer rely on Microsoft ActiveX controls to trigger in response to a change in Microsoft defaults. This does mean that custom Excel planning views created before 2511 will need to be migrated to use form controls instead of those ActiveX controls. To see what this could mean to your business and your templates and favorites, detailed instructions are available on the help portal, or you can reach out to us and we can help you through the transition.
Continuing along other features, one of the big ones is the harmonized planning area, SAP IBP 2, which was first introduced in 2508. But in 2511, SAP has released best practice content for this. As a recap, for those of you that don't know, the HPA encapsulates order-based and time series-based planning processes in one planning area, unlocking more advanced, flexible, integrated planning models. 2511 introduces HPA order-based enhancements such as detailed pegging, optimizer quota calculation, and telescopic optimization, which weren't there in the previous release.
In the harmonized planning area, visualization of your supply chain network has been improved as well. So MRP areas are now included in the Supply Chain Network app, which gives a more granular view of your supply and demand. This will be a great improvement for tracking dependencies within your planning network. Another great enhancement is the new recency weighting functionality in supply lead time calculations. Planners can now prioritize recent historical data, making lead time estimates more responsive to current conditions. This reduces the influence of outdated trends and will improve planning accuracy. The feature is supported for HPA and time series-based planning areas via new output key figures. For me, the new Managed Master Data app is a game changer. So aside from expanding the capability of the search field, there's now an Explore related data function. So with one button, you can see the related master data types for your highlighted master data. The new version of this app is more intuitive. It helps you find what you need faster and is especially useful when troubleshooting. Pinpointing master data issues has never been easier, as you can see in the demo.
Absolutely. And just a quick heads up about deprecated features along with these. The old planning filters app is now gone. Make sure you've migrated to the new version by the end of November to avoid losing filters, as these won't be migrated automatically.
The legacy application jobs catalog will also be removed, so double check the business catalogs for your users have been updated and avoid any authorization issues in the changeover. Okay, that's a wrap on the 2511 highlights. These updates are all about making IBP faster, smarter, and easier to use.
So whether it's AI, Excel, or collaboration tools, there's something here to help every planner work better.
If you'd like to chat through what these updates mean to your business, or you'd just like to find out a bit more about IBP in general, please feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching and happy planning.